Def, dirty bad mind, mommy do you so. Be a negative, you just a carry.
Man push a bush, you know. Man push a bush with peace together, you know.
Oh, man, you to make all fun.
You can't get it. Bush can't cook.
I'm blending you out to dust.
Yes, man.
I tell you that punch.
Yeah? Stop me now, tell us I can punch there.
Me see that probably.
How much should that ratio?
Start your battle.
That's how way. You can never, that will never happen. That have nothing to do with me. That have nothing to do with me. What that have to do with me? One where you go. For your auntie place. That have something to do with me? Blood clot go here, man.
You are getting fucking idea, you.
Hey, you have to mind how you talk with me. Because I'm not take fuck from people.
But say at the place.
Tell us I've talked to him a long time because alone room talk the man I make man.
I mean, he's a man of drama, you know.
Yeah, so we have to try reason.
So when me say drama, me will trouble it.
Oh, him not talk drama.
But if you want war, me will fight too. Because I'm not afraid people.
Him not talk drama, brother.
Then me not still a listen him. Yeah, man. Still a listen him, man. Me not a man of war, you know. Me is a man of drama. So if you me see me can't get to pluck you, me will pluck your rascal and get drama from you.
Look like a war in my brain.
Yeah, if I war him, I bring me now back down, because I never request none. Yeah, me now back down. Yeah, man. A real thing, man. Just call the shots when you want call.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
man. Me ready, man. Me coming like battery, you know. Ever ready, you know. Just call the shots and see Bawdacat not ready.
Charge up.
Yeah, man. Me ready, man. Yeah. I'm not bothered with the fucker and thing to say, you go run me with your mouth and your voice. Me not frightened or nothing.
I say, anti place.
Anti place now have nothing to do with me. Not trouble me, you know. Yeah, man. And you own a place, you not talk about your anti place. Okay. Yeah, man, you own a house, me come for you, man. And about that thing you can't do, man, just surrender and try to take away your body. Yeah.
No found off in a black brief today, you know. Come on.
You fuck with what go on in the man can't show up. Man can't show up with you. I say, Sean, they put your instrument around your waist. Black brief done from wrong side. Man, but forget the other I'm going to fuck with the man little, you know, because he can't pay for it. So. I'm going to fuck for it. But if I fuck and she say, nah, get it. So, him quit. Yeah, he make trouble and quit. He make scandal and quit.
Police pull up out the man, he don't cook a road speed, not call out, he don't cook a road.
Yeah.
Road, you know, bro. Yeah, man.
But then can't do your bad man.
I'm going to hide, I'm going to show up. I'm going to send a message in the day.
Can't do your bad man and fuck. Or bad man still there and make money.
I'm not too short, man. You pay the money, eh? We get the money, man, and I don't pussy now.
Don't need wall.
Yeah.
Everybody get fucked. And such man get fucked in a rush, brother. Yeah, man. Sweep ya, sweep, man. Family ya make. Sweep ya, sweep through, you know. You can't fuck you take a money from. Yeah, man. They're going to some family every blood clot body like you, you know. The blood clot thing where you want to get, you know, God. You know, just take, man. Just take, you know, because that you come out, you know. Who have pussy give you, who have money give you. Yeah, man. That's you come out, brother.
That's true, man.
Yeah, it's a lick. Yeah, man.
Why for that lick?
You can't quote you, Jerry. Yeah, man. One lick you don't know about and with tongue. Yeah, but me lick with tongue, you know. Ice cream. Yeah, man, that no make me lick. Yeah, man, ice cream and that make me lick,
man. Clear for early.
Yeah, man. You eat ice cream, me lick ice cream. Yeah, man. Ice cream make me lick, bro. Yeah, man. Well, me don't know where you are. Yeah, man, me lick ice cream. Say, man do various thing with them tongue, you know. So if me take a lick ice cream, that's a pleasure. Yeah, man.
Every day you place and you say, oh, you say to mom, say, you know, some people ice cream. So, you have to feed the people lick ice cream. I eat the people ice cream.
No, me just tell mom, say, make me get ice cream. Moms know me, I go deal with it.
What you going to do with this?
Yeah, moms know me, I go deal with it already.
We don't know what you have to do.
So you want to know?
Yeah, we have to do.
Turn ice cream now?
You know more ice cream people.
Yeah, me I make moms know some more ice cream. I have to tell him about not eat. No, him know me deal with ice cream. So him just want to know say me want ice cream. Him just forward table with ice cream. Yeah, man. And me deal with it. I tell mom go eat. I tell mom nothing about not eat. Yeah. I tell mom some want some food, you know.
Can I get if you lick this up?
Definitely chinky. Do what I want to do with this, you know. Yeah, man. Jerry same would I eat for him, you know. Yeah, man. So, you no lick nothing, Jerry? No, me just ask him. Yeah. Me lick ice cream.
Randy!
Yeah, man, some man not talking truth. Draw tongue in a plate. Yeah.
We do lick out plate.
Here man say there. Yeah, man.
Who wants that, Piggy?
Jerry. Him lick out plate.
When him lick them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Only pound of draw tongue in a plate when I'm small, man. You have to say that. You have tried to tell me that. But me know no draw tongue in a plate. Me not tell you nothing about no lick. And now me not tell you about no lick, you know. I go on brandy.
It's a draw tongue.
I want to draw a tongue in a plate hard, man. But you say you never lick off your finger, eh?
Lick off finger?
Hey.
I suck them off.
You suck off finger, though.
Where me buy suck off finger? Like,
When I eat, man,
Hey.
curry chicken back and something.
Nah, suck no finger.
You no suck off finger.
Mr. Jerry suck off
And you no
finger.
lick off finger neither.
Baby lick off finger. Young baby.
So you never baby.
Was.
Oh, so you used to lick off finger too.
Remember about that? Yeah.
Your parents tell you.
Me don't know about that. Never ask about that. Nah, about that.
Parents tell him.
Alright, Jer. So nothing you eat with left pan finger, you just go wash off.
Yeah, man, wash on, brother. Wash on, lick your lip.
Me ask you something. You ever feel up a girl that like finger, pussy and go build a split? Without wash on? Lie it. Lie you know I tell.
They have favor.
Me I tell you no say a lie. Yeah man, lie you know I tell man. Then can happen to me. Yeah man, all I win a real man thing. Yeah man, yeah man. You can't bother with it, Jerry. Me not deal with you. Me and think reason. Because you not want nothing, you know. You not want nothing. But me know real life, things do happen. Now if I life change, now make him twist you. It's happening in a real life, the real man. Real man, real man.
Can never prevent for that.
Prevent for what?
Touch this and remember.
Hold on, you ever finger a girl and have to go wash your hand?
Then put your finger again.
Pussy they stink then. Yeah, we not do thinking pussy, brother. Yeah. You not finger pussy. Alright. Yeah, and time you're done, you have to run go wash hand. No. You did it hold up, girl. You touch up yourself, you light, you spliff. Which part and wash? When and wash? Remember good no man, when and wash?
That's true, man. Rubber all over face and then sit there.
We go wash up and beard and...
No.
Can't go to a party and then sit there.
And that's how we deal with you, man.
In your car.
You see a man where you use put a pussy, you put it on the woman when you're done, you put your mouth on the woman. Lie me a tell, don't it, Jerry? Yeah, man, me know a man. Me know a lie, you put your face there. Yeah, man, me know me a lie, I didn't know, but me like speak the truth. Yeah, man. All type of place, man. All type of place, you know. So, you know, if you admit nothing, brother, because I know you that already. You can't take such man's place, you know. Yeah, him take such man's spot already. Yeah, man. This one, all things. A shaggy brother.
Wasn't me.
Wasn't me. No, man, anytime you done something that happened to you, man, and you find say you have to run sex now, go on. Me wrong or me right, Piggy? And that's so me can't figure wash instantly, man. Before sex go on now. Hey, then can't tell me nothing.
Now really comments, just I listen.
Yeah, man, I owe their cost that, man. Get a bad order you find, so you know me get turned off. I feel like me want peace and then something there. You got peace. Now you go on wash and all that stuff. You know?
Vibes broke.
Take time drip.
Yeah,
I
vibes
owe you no
broke.
good, yeah. You take time drip. Yeah. Motion the way in night again.
True, man.
Gone, man.
Man, just one little sticky smell, man.
Yeah, man, one little bad order, man. Turn you right away, man. Yeah, man, turn you away, man. Done.
Can't manage it like that.
No, you know, work with them things there, not as real, man, you know.
I go beat, man.
Mm-hmm.
I so that me beat, me make them beat before me even touch them three, man. Sometime, you know.
Yeah, man, girls fresh, you know.
You come on me hard, man, you have to go beat first.
Yeah, man. Man come down and go tell me say, me fi buy him a cigarette. And you know a man did me I tell him say me nah buy you no cigarette at all. Blood clot cheap and worthless. Yeah. And you know a man did talk so till me don't know when talk, when up he talk. So a man give him 2 blood clot box in his face and put him cross William Street. Hey, the 2 of them run you up William Street, you know, man. Hey, a 2 hard box, what a man give me, no? Hey, the same man run you fuck. So yeah, man, I don't know what I do when I come a road, brother. I told me no buy you 1 cigarette now, you are cuss. I don't like me couldn't buy you a cigarette, but I got to left out of your bed in hours and night if I have to come back a road 1 cigarette. I bet you did go and sleep. Yeah, man, I bet you did want something to eat, man. Yeah, man, yeah, I got style me now for that. Get 2 blood clot gladiator in the night, let me say no man. Me say, hey, I miss like action. Oh, you mean, man? Me say, yeah, man, a sound of forget your road, man. Man, now play with them, brother.
I'll go up and put your hands up. Back in the boat, alright. Look at that.